So a lot of people ask me, hey doc, what do I do now? Because what people don't want to hear are just get a whole list of things they have to do, a whole major lifestyle. It's almost like adopting a new religion. People aren't really ready to convert to a new religion immediately. So I try to keep it simple. I try to say, let's start small. And I call it Rico's Rules of 25 or 2-5, okay? So I say no more than 25 grams of sugar a day, because sugar is actually inflammatory. So read those labels. Everything has sugar in it. A piece of bread has sugar in it. You sit there and say, hey, I want to have a glass of orange juice every day. There's sugar in there too. So you keep yourself under 25 grams of sugar a day, you're on your way to healthy heart, okay? And also 25%, no more than 25% of your diet should be fat, okay? So keep your fats under 25%. That's another 25 to remember. And then the other thing, you take 25 and move the decimal place, make it 2.5. No more than 2.5 grams of sodium, salt a day. So if you do those three things, the Rico rules of 25, and then if you can keep your BMI at 25, which means your weight, you're doing good. So remember 25, so those little things, sugar, fat, salt, and keep your weight down. Those will all make positive interventions.